Welcome guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how quickly and how easy you can update your audio drivers on the Windows 11. Okay, so the first step, we have to go for our start menu and we have to click on it with the right mouse button, and we have to open our device manager, and there it is. So let me just move it a little bit and make it bigger. Okay, right now I'm going to zoom in, and as you can see at the first we can find audio inputs and outputs. So when you open it with the left mouse button, click on this arrow. Now we can find here all audio devices that we have plugged to our PC. So for example, if you are looking for any update, like for example you would like to get new software for your speakers, you can just select them with the right mouse button, select with, then tap with the right, select with the left mouse button, then tap with the right, and get the option update driver. So as you can see, that's our another window. So we have to click this one, search automatically for drivers. And as you can see, I have the latest version, so there's nothing to install, but we can check the folder Realtek digital output. Let's get the update. And it's also up to date. So in my case everything is fine, but if you have any out of data software, you will be able to download right here. So you have to just simply go with all of these steps by Windows installer. So yeah, that's all for this video, and if you find it helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.